Alright, this video is to show you how to enter a function to display only the first character from the customer type. Now the customer type is here, okay, and you can see staff, member and something like that. Okay, so you're going to input in G8 to G38. Let's start with G8, okay. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit. So okay, this is G8. Okay, let's go to the here type of purchase. So let's remove this. Now the function to use is equal length bracket. Okay, the text is this one, comma, and how many character? In this case, it is you want the first character, so 1 bracket. So you enter, you get S. So to propagate it over G8 to the rest, you just select it first, change it to the plus sign and drag down. Okay, you can see that it is about 37 or 38, should be 38. Okay, so you can see, press enter, so you can see whether it's true or not. Okay, the first character from the customer type is S, his first character is M, next one is P from public. Okay, that is correct. Okay, so basically that is how you put a function to display the first character of the column in the text column.